2013 Cadillac ATS 2.0 turbo coolant hose popped the other day. So I didn't see many videos about it, so I figured I'd make one, maybe try to help somebody out, save you some time, hopefully. So first step on this car, I don't know if you'll notice, but it looks like there's a lot more room back here than there normally is. Still not much room, but the first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to remove the windshield wipers, the plastic cowl panel, then the vents. And then once you do all that, you remove the, well, before you move that, then you remove the transmission, then there's the steel pan that holds that, comes off. And that gives you a little bit more room. Next thing you probably want to do is remove this vacuum pump. There's a seal that everybody recommends you replace that goes on here. Next thing I did was, eventually I moved this tank. That helped. I removed the steel and upper radiator hose, both the heater hoses, and unbolted the 2 bolts that go to the water outlet. This is the hose that blew, of course. Couldn't find that hose, so I picked up a random Daco 72095. I don't know if it's going to work yet or not. I went ahead and got a few people on the internet said to go ahead and replace this water outlet. It's quite spendy from GM, but anyway, the number on it is 2520459, and then that vacuum pump seal is 12668429. Anyway, hope this helps. But anyway, that housing, it goes off to the driver's side. It won't fit. I couldn't get it to fit out the passenger side, so I actually had to cut the hose in half to get it out. Those clamps are very difficult to get to where they're positioned. There are special hose clamp tools which help a lot if you can get them on there. These are the cheap ones off Amazon. Maybe some better ones might work better, but I'm hoping I can get it all back together here in just a little bit. Hope it doesn't take as long to put it together as it did take it apart. My plan is to put the new housing on, the hose on, both hoses on it, get the bolts in it before I pull that blue locking tab, get all the hose, like I said, get all the hoses on it, and then put the pipe in, and then start reconnecting stuff. So wish me well. If I run into any big trouble or find any more tips or trips I think will help you, I'll let you know. This vacuum pump's kind of hard to see the bolts on. That one at the bottom is the hardest. There's the hose on the top. Two on this side. You can see them pretty okay. But I think what else. But that's anyway. Good luck.